Hello everyone, welcome back to the Codersarts. So, in this video, we are going to discuss the AI technology with Android app ideas. In this idea, we are going to introduce a new Android app idea within the AI is Lang AI, transforming the language learning with the artificial intelligence app idea. So, let's move to the next slide. What is the introduction here? So, introducing a Lang AI, an innovative language learning application powered by the artificial intelligence that is revolutionized the way user master a new language by leveraging the cutting edge technologies of AI technologies. Lang AI offer the personalized learning experience, dynamic assessment, and motivational feature, catering a vast user base of working professionals and students. So, what is the problem statement here in the current technology? So, traditional language learning method often lack of personalization, engagement, and effectiveness, and leading to the frustration and disengagement among the learner. So, without AI-driven solution, language learning app may struggle to adapt the individual learning and style and preferences. So, in this, there is some lack of personalization, lack of engagement in the regular classes, lack of effectiveness in the regular classes. So, user is facing a lot of problem during the learning a language. So, just move to the next slide. What is the solution we are going to provide? Lang AI addressed these challenges to integrating the AI technology to deliver a personalized learning path, real-time feedback, and interactive experiences. By harnessing the power of AI, Lang AI transformed the language learning into the engagement of rewarding the journey of all the user for all the skill levels. So in this we are going to provide uh, learning into the engagement and rewarding the journey for all the skills level. Like if the user is for beginner, we are going to provide a beginner business model, like model. We are using the beginner model, and for the intermediate and for the pro we are using the pro models. So let's move to the key features. What are the key features we are going to introduce in this application? So personalized learning path. Utilize the AI algorithm to assess the each user proficiency level, learning styles, and goals, and tailoring the learning path accordingly. Dynamic assessments generates a dynamic quizzes, exercises, test based on the user performance and progress, ensuring all the targeted skills of development. So real-time feedback. In this application, we are going to provide a real-time feedback, provides an instant feedback to the correction on pronunciation, grammar, vocabulary uses, and facilitating the continuous improvement. Fourth one is for the motivational feature, incorporate the gamification element and achievement badges and the progress tracking to motivate the incentives user to achieve their language learning goals. And the fifth and very important, which is very adaptive contents. So adapts the learning contents and the material based on the user preferences, interest, and proficiency level, keeping the learning experience engaging and relevant. So if you have any idea like this, in merging of Android and AI, both of the technologies, so you can just drop a mail to contact@therecoderhouse.com. So thank you everyone.